What if success on the internet was as easy as pushing play and following a few simple steps? Get my training videos, and you can watch, listen, and learn your way to internet marketing success. See samples below. Here's a list of the videos included in this package. What to learn: 1. Choosing a good domain name. 2. Registering your domain name at domains. 3. Setting up your DNS at domains. 4. Choosing a web host provider. 5. Setting up a POP email account. 6. Configuring your POP email account in Outlook Express. 7. Setting up your signature in Outlook Express. 8. Opening and downloading zip and PDF files, and zipping your own files with WinZip. 9. Using FTP to upload files from your computer to your web host provider server. 10. Setting up an account with ClickBank. 11. Setting up a sales page and thank you page for resell rights. 12. Product with ClickBank. 13. Setting up thank you page and order link with ClickBank. 14. Setting up thank you page and order link with PayPal. 15. Installing Untitled to get proper paths to Perl on your server. 16. Starting an e-zine and installing a Perl mailing list program. 17. Formatting and delivery of your e-zine. 18. HTML and how it works. Watch sample video. 19. Beginners HTML, centering text, creating breaks and paragraphs, etc. Watch sample video. 20. More HTML. Making changes to your text. Watch sample video. 21. More beginners HTML. Adding images. 22. HTML. Making links and linking images. 23. HTML. Creating tables, rows and columns. 24. Using HTML templates quickly and easily. 25. Using good keywords for keyword research. 26. Creating the title tag and meta tags for your website. 27. Optimizing your website for search engines, keyword density and content. 28. Writing ad copy. 29. Importance of testing your copy. 30. Submitting your site to the search engines. 31. Installing an ad tracking and split testing program. 32. Using your ad tracking and split testing program. 33. Creating classified ads. 34. Increase your search engine rankings by building your link popularity. 35. Creating your first ebook. 36. Compiling your ebook in exe format. 37. Compiling your ebook in PDF format. 38. Making your exe ebook brandable. 39. Making your PDF ebook brandable. 40. Running your affiliate program with ClickBank. 41. Installing a customer support desk. 42. Using your customer support desk. 43. Creating a password protected area of your site. 44. Adding forms to your site for easy feedback from your visitors. 45. Installing a free WordPress blog. 46. Using your WordPress blog. 47. Promoting affiliate programs. 48. Creating redirects for your affiliate links to shorten them. 49. Installing a shopping cart, affiliate and ad tracking system all in 150. Beginner RSS feeds. As you can see, these videos can help you learn many important tasks involved in building and growing a business on the internet quickly and easily. Instead of spending weeks or months trying to figure out these skills by yourself, simply watch the corresponding video for what you want to accomplish and follow the step-by-step instructions provided. Sign up for the Plugin Profit Site service here, and you'll get the complete newbie training videos package as a free bonus. Click here to learn more. My newbie training videos package can save you countless hours of time and frustration, and help you achieve your internet business goals faster and much more easily. Smile to your online success. Thanks and welcome you to my team. For more details, click the link below this video.